Buenos días a todos, mis guapas. Today I want to you guys TAMUSA Quiz. I know this is our first one, so I want you to feel prepared. I'm going to go to student to see if I'm able to access the quiz, how you guys will see it. This is what you should do. The pre-quiz we already completed. Quiz 1 is due Sunday, July 26th before midnight. If we go to open this quiz, let's go ahead and begin it. Should have a partner's name pop up. You should see the partner's information is there. Please contact with your partner as soon as possible so you guys can schedule a time for you to complete. Because the quiz is to be you and a partner, not just by yourself. Remember, there's two parts to the quiz. There's this part where you kind of do a little bit of breaking, and then there's this second where you do the recording. So let the prompt. The first one, I'll go through it with, but in the future, you'll be in your own quizzes too. So it tells us that likes and dislikes. Okay, since this is a quiz, but it doesn't mean that you can't prepare. So you can definitely use your talk to prepare for the quiz. So what we can do, go back into our, we might have to have several to open. Student. You will do options. So you can go recorded lectures where you see that I've already a couple of lectures. There's information here on gustar. You can also go to the textbook itself and look up the verb gustar if you are having any, like if you want to make sure that you understand what the textbook is asking you. So let's do chapter 7, and we see, okay, what are negating, influencing others. So I'm trying to, I don't know, let's go to G. Then like, so here is where I'm going to read the verb that. And it gives you here some information. McGraw Hill actually goes through and provides these tutorials as well. So if you want to check it out. So I'm not going to play it here, but it just to kind of go through. It goes to tell you what to expect. Back to our activity, chapter 8, and then it also goes to different options here where I talk about the verb. You can go and okay, this is what I need to know. So here the differences in Spanish and English. This is what I give on how to structure gustar. So those are all the things that you can have to support you who are completing the quiz. So let's look at the paso. It's compañero, la compañera para sacarles las cosas del uno. Okay. La música, si te gusta, si te gusta, it gives you two different options. So here, that was our ejemplo, right? So it gives us la música clase. We have to ask our partner, since it's our partner, we're assuming it's our classmate, you should be using to form, which is why they use te, le, me, nos. And what we want to determine is you need to use the or the plural form of gustar. So here we see that we have a singular plural. This is how we use the verb gustar, not like traditional forms of the verb. So we use gustar. Gusta is a singular noun, and then you'll use that when there's a plural. Because la música clásica is singular, that's gusta. If it was la música clásica y reggaeton, right, different music, then you would use gustan, right? So you'll and you'll a singular or plural noun. Is it a verb in the infinitive? And then you will use gustan, singular noun, a verb, or so you'll get your answers here. That is bailar salsa, los niños pequeños, canciones de los años 80, viajar, destinos exóticos, arte surrealista, and more. You guys make up. Okay, so it could be anything, but this is partner determined. So what you're doing, you're going to be using this prompt to talk to a partner. So you will ask your partner, ¿Te gusta la música clásica? And your partner will say, sí, me gusta la música clásica. No, no me gusta la música clásica. Whatever it is you're talking about, etc. And then ask y, which is and you. It would be like saying, partner one, ¿te gusta la música clásica? Part two, sí, me gusta la música clásica. ¿Ti? Back to part. No, no me gusta la música. I hope that makes sense. And then you go back with each other. These 7 questions. So there's no specific time limit. It's however long it takes you to complete. So if it takes 2 minutes, that's fine. Go here, start. Okay. Instructions. Let's go here to instructions. Here. You are here. Upload. Name already be there. Oh, that's why. You see, you should have it here. It's going to be differently for you because it's going to be, you'll already meet up with someone to after you. We'll preview because I've already set you guys up with your partners. So your video should, the information is here. You'll to go start assignment. Or I think actually, yeah, so you'll look here, wherever your is, you'll go join. I'm just doing it now. Allow. I'm not going to because then it'll record over what they've already done. And it shows your and your microphone. You'll do continue. You guys will record with each other here. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So the name of the group is here. Groups have been listed part here. So get in contact with them so that you guys can figure out what's a good time for you to complete this exercise today. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.